guys. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. So today we have some great opportunities. How would you like to get paid to tell companies how much they should pay their employees? So we have some wonderful positions, and that is one of the positions today. These positions are 100% remote, and they both make over $100,000, you guys. And one of them, which is my favorite, you guys, does not require a degree. So let's get into the video right now today. I hope you guys have your pen and papers available, and let's get right to it. Okay, so let's do my shout outs this morning. Miss Shanae T, hey girl. So she got an opportunity, well, she got an offer for $112,000 with full benefits, baby. So congratulations to you. Mr. Victor C got $142,000. Congratulations, Mr. Victor. Thank you so much for booking your call. And this Miss Joyce B, $137,000 with full benefits, you guys. Full benefits? Okay, you guys, you know what I'm going to tell you to do. Either get that resume kit or book a call, you guys, because these calls are life-changing. And what I have started to do is once I look for jobs to put on my channel, I actually send them to you personally after I get a chance to read your resume. So I am so excited to be doing this for you guys. I love what I do, and it amazes me the success that we have. So let's keep this going. Okay, so the inspiration of today, you guys, it's been on my heart for a very long time. So the inspiration of today is I am enough, and I will not allow anyone to tell my story and convince me otherwise. I am divinely made. So what I want you to put in the chat, in the comment section today is I am enough, and I will not allow anyone to convince me otherwise. That is what I want you to write in the chat, and that is what I want you to feel today. As you are writing your resumes with my resume kit, that is plug and play 10 minutes, you guys. As you are writing your resume, this is what I want you to think about. I am enough. I will not allow you to convince me otherwise. So you guys, either book a call or get the resume kit. The resume kit is literally 10 minutes, you guys. All right, so let's get into these opportunities right now. Let's get right into it, you guys. So this is a position from Allstate. You guys, I feel like I should be an Allstate ambassador. And Allstate, if you listening, come sponsor a sister, okay? But this is from Allstate. I love their community. I love their jobs. And most of their jobs, like I said, do not require a degree. This is a job that does not require a degree, you guys. You guys can do this job. If you have had any experience in HR, this is the job for you. Okay, so let's get right down to this job. You guys, we already know about Allstate, but let's get right into what this role entails. All right, you guys, so we already know about Allstate, like I said before, but let's go into what this job actually is. We're not going to go into their I'm not going to hold you like that. Okay, so it says the executive compensation senior consultant is responsible for assisting in delivering core executive compensation initiatives to internal clients by applying professional judgment, knowledge, and experience. This individual assists in the research, analysis, design, implementation, and administration of key compensation programs of the company. In addition, this individual will assist in the implementation, management, and development of innovative solutions that support the business unit strategy and design by applying thought leadership and their subject matter expertise. This includes project planning, execution, timing, functionality, quality, communication, and cost. Projects may include but are not limited to survey administration, technology, communication, and competitive pay benchmarks. Okay, let's go down to the next paragraph. So basically, you're going to be helping the company set compensation packages for their employees. this position is a permanent remote home-based worker. Your home office does not need to be near an Allstate office, but it does need to be in the United States. This position is eligible for a monthly connectivity reimbursement to offset the cost of internet and phone expenses. So basically, they're going to even pay your phone bill, you guys. Okay, so let's go to key responsibilities. It says coordinate pay benchmarks for directors and above roles, including job evaluation, internal and external analysis, and recommendations. You are going to be coordinating, basically you're going to be setting their benchmarks. You're going to be making sure that their benefits package and their pay is aligned with their role. If you have been in HR, this is a very simple, well, I don't want to say very simple job because obviously it's Allstate, but this is a simple job, you guys. Okay, participate in the implementation, communication, and administration of the annual short-term and long-term incentive plans for all eligible employees. Provide data for meeting materials for the compensation committee of the board of directors, including competitive data and plan design administration. Research, analyze, and design of specific core executive compensation initiatives, including pay mix, incentive leverage, salary ranges, all of that. May lead or participate to moderate to complex projects covering key areas of executive compensation, including changes to regulatory provisions, employee communication regarding executive and incentive compensation programs, analyzing effectiveness of current incentive plans, and then cross collaboration with project coordination between benefits and executive comp, which may include partnership or on proxy material and tables, process improvement, and general transformative growth initiatives. So you're going to be evaluating to see, hey, is Allstate actually paying them what they deserve, or does their pay equal their work? You're going to do an analysis of that. Okay, so let's get down to the education and experience, you guys. So the education, what is preferred, is a 4-year bachelor's degree. Most of you guys have bachelor's degree because I've looked at your resumes. Most of you guys do have bachelor's degree. So what I'm going to tell you is apply for this, but I'm going to go down a little bit more. It says 3 or more years of experience in executive compensation. In lieu of the above education requirements, an equivalent combination of education and experience may be considered. You guys, get this job. Literally go online to Allstate and get this job. If you need help, get my resume template kit because it has everything that you need to create your own resume for this job. Get this job and apply for this job today. This job makes almost $121,000 for this job, you guys. Get the resume kit or book that call. You need to get this job because this job is that good. Even if you don't have a bachelor's degree, it says in lieu of education and experience, you might be able to land this job. So get my resume kit or book a call, you guys, so that we can remake you a resume for this position. Okay. It says compensation experience, strong foundation in Excel, intermediate to advanced analytical skills, intermediate to advanced project management, intermediate to advanced technical experience in compensation, finance, or accounting, good business writing skills, you guys, ability to establish, manage, and leverage relationships with external and internal partners, you guys. Get the resume kit. It has all of these skills on there, you guys, or book a call so that we can tailor your resume to this position. Book the call or either get the resume DIY kit and do it yourself. Okay, it says compensation offer for this role is $68,500 to $121,375 a year, you guys. Get on this job immediately. You know I love Allstate because it comes with full benefits, a full benefit package, you guys. Get on this right now, you guys. Okay, so let's go to the next job. this next job is for a manager of training. And most of you guys have that experience on your resume. I know it because when you booked the call, I saw it. So let's go. So we have this job from the Credit Acceptance Company, you guys. So this is a manager of training and development. Before we get into this job, let me just tell you guys, I do this because I want all of you guys to be a success. I see through your resumes, through the calls that we have, how great you guys are. And that is why I keep producing content for you, because I truly believe that you guys can be whoever you want to be. And I truly believe that you can get paid 6 figures because you deserve 6 figures. You guys are some fantabulous people, and I love working with you guys. I love doing the bookings. I love really talking to you guys. So I really want you to dig deep into these jobs. Okay, so this is a position for a manager of training and development, you guys. So let's get right into this job. All right, you guys, it says our support team works with multiple departments in a dynamic environment that promotes flexibility and autonomy, while offering the opportunity to collaborate with a diverse group of professionals. We work to comply with our company standards, exceed customers' expectations, and drive our great place to work culture. Through the consistent delivery of quality services and understanding the needs of our business, we develop innovative improvements as we strive towards our company's big, hairy, audacious goals. Okay, so let's go to outcomes and activities. It says this position will work from home. Occasionally planned travel to a location offers may be required. However, this position is permitted to work in an office location if requested by the team member. So it is primarily remote. Develop scalable and repeatable processes that maximize the efficiencies and effectiveness of the team. Build, maintain, and lead an effective training team by applying the concepts of organizational help to create a great place to work. Right people, right number, right people, right number, right organizational design. Ensure your department is staffed with the best possible people, the right number of people, and that team members are organized in a manner aligned with the work being done. Clear expectations. Ensure each team member has clear expectation of what he or she needs to do to exceed. Expectations should be clearly prioritized, achievable, and aligned with the company objectives. Training. Ensure your team members have the appropriate skills to do their job effectively. Support formal and informal training opportunities within our team when appropriate to bridge any gaps. Performance management. Work with your team members on an ongoing basis to help exceed agreed expectations. Right measures. Establish and maintain a set department of metric that represents key performance. Right incentive plans, you guys. It says the right incentive plans. Work with HR and leadership to establish incentive plans and recognition programs that motivate the team. Right environment, you guys. Lead in a respectful, fair, approachable, and trusting manner, you guys. It says maintain an open and honest dialogue with team members and work to ensure team members, 1, take pride in their work, 2, feel recognized and appreciated, 3, enjoy working together. Right tools. Ensure your team members have the appropriate tools and resources to do their job effectively. Manage and develop a team of instructional designers, trainers, and coordinators. As a trusted advisor to the business by supporting analysis, design, and development of training initiatives that improve performance and contribute to intrinsic value. Resource planning for training delivery across multiple functions of the business. Evaluation of existing training solutions to ensure performance and identify opportunities for improvement. Plan for and maintain e-learning through CUA. Partner with internal departments such as the Project Management Office, Document Management Program, and Corporate Legal Program. Okay, so let's go to knowledge and skills, you guys. So the knowledge and skills is identify opportunities to improve existing training. positively influence and direct execution of assigned training projects, maintain a healthy program of training modules, plan and manage recurring training, understand and apply concepts for our company business models, maintain productive, fun, trusting, and collaborative relationships, and demonstrate strong leadership, customer service, and process management skills. You guys, I'm not going to tell you again. Go apply for this job, you guys. And I looked on a lot of you guys' resumes. You have the qualification. You have the skills. The only thing that you need to do is market yourself appropriately for this job. You guys, what I'm going to tell you to do is, like I said, either book a call with me so we can rewrite you a resume for this position, or you guys get the resume kit, because the resume kit has all the skills and everything that you need to apply for this job and to market yourself correctly for this. Most of you guys have tons of education, tons of experience, and all you need to do is market yourself correctly. So this job, it has the requirements, a bachelor's degree. Over 90% of you guys, or I'm looking at almost 100% of you guys on the resumes, have bachelor's degrees. Level up and get this job. Okay, 3 to 5 years of leading training teams, 3 to 5 years of successfully managing large projects, demonstrated ability to manage multiple priorities, and experience creating and monitoring metrics to drive improvement. It says preferred experience managing and developing a team. You guys have that experience. Get the resume kit so that you can market yourself appropriately, you guys. Get that kit. That kit will help you to market yourself appropriately. Okay, targeted compensation. This job starts at $119,000, you guys. It starts at $119,000. You guys, either book a call or get the resume template kit. Get that kit, and it's going to help you market yourself correctly. Also, you guys, if you need to book a call, book the call. I will help you write your resume for this position, but this position is a great one. Like and follow for more, you guys. And you guys, I believe in you, and I believe that you will make this day productive, and that you will have a fabulous career. Have a great day, and take care of each other. Bye.